Hello, my English 111 students, fall 2019, online. Yeah, let's do this. This is September 2nd through September 8th, and I am still in teacher mode. Oops, oopsie-doopsie. Let's switch over to the student mode because we want you to see it the way that you see it, not the way that I see it, so it makes more sense. Okay. September 2nd, there we go. So what are we doing this week? Well, we are introducing Writing Project 1. So we did an assignment last week, which was professional, how to write a professional email. That wasn't really the writing project. So Writing Project 1 is kind of a little more involved. We're also going to talk about the Writing Center and how you can get a hold of them. And then we have some quizzes and some videos to watch, because who doesn't like to do those kind of things? Yes, okay. So let's go ahead first and talk about the Writing Center. So that information is found up here. If you go to the top of the page, you'll notice right here, free tutoring help, Even for online classes, Shaw's Writing Center can help you with your papers. To set an appointment, as well as find out the best way that they can help you, call that number. Give them a call. Again, it's free. Okay, so just be aware that you can call the Writing Center and they can work with you. They have different ways. If you're on campus, you can go into the Writing Center and they can give you the directions. If you're off campus, because this is an online class, you may be anywhere, they can still do it either remotely or over the phone or something like that, but that's how we do the Writing Center. Okay, so there's the Writing Center introduction. Okay, let's talk about the first writing project. First writing project is a narrative. What is a narrative? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. So we're going to click on this. All right, so basically a narrative is where you're going to tell a story, okay? And you're basically going to write it one of two prompts. Choose a time when you did something that took a lot of nerve, a time when you didn't follow the crowd, or a time when you stood up for your beliefs. And then you think about the details, and basically you're telling a story of that situation, okay? Or you can write, we all have memories, we are connected to our experiences. Think about an experience you'll always remember. Okay, and again, we're talking about the picture, you're picturing the time and the place. And we want to understand why, if you're going to tell us a story, why it's important, okay? So it's not just a matter of one of those things. So sometimes people will start talking to you and you're like, why are you talking to me? What are you trying to tell me? So we're telling a narrative. Now, the format is basically 2 to 5 pages using MLA formatting, and we have all that information going on this week. So that's the narrative. To learn more about narration, there is a video on narration. This explains more about how narration works. And since you have to use description in running your narrative, there is a lecture on description. And you have to format your paper in MLA formatting. So there's a video that shows you how to do that. Woohoo! Look at all these videos. None of these are very long. We're not talking hours here. We're talking just a few minutes. But you need to watch all these to understand kind of what's going on. The grammar for this week, we're dealing with commas, semicolons, and colons, and you have that quiz there. You also have a quiz on MLA formatting. As you'll notice that we have readings for both of those in Odigia. And so you make sure you read Odigia again. Odigia, what's Odigia? Odigia is your textbook, which you can access from the top of the page by clicking on the digital textbooks. I've shown you this in previous weeks. This should not be new to you. So what are the deliverables this week? Well, really you just have 2 quizzes, okay? That's really the only 2 things that are due by Friday. But you need to start working on your writing project 1, okay? With the first draft of that will be due like next week. Okay, so start working on that, do the narration stuff, and then we'll go from there. And that's it for this week. All right, there you go.